It's a late 2004, early 2005 Chinese scooter with a GY6 motor. It's 150 cc's. This one is particularly called the Tank. We put a new cylinder, piston, rings, gaskets, and a new head assembly on this bike. It had dropped a valve seat and bent the valves into the piston. We've done those repairs. My grandsons drove it quite a bit in the neighborhood running it. This little bike is fast. It will do 45 with no problem. I weigh around 200 pounds. It'll take me 45 miles an hour. Downhill it'll do 52. So it's got plenty of power to get you around the neighborhood or to the grocery store. It's scratched up real heavy on both sides, but all the plastics are there. Everything works. Brake lights, blinker lights, starter, horn, everything's good. Got a new battery in it. New key switch. This one key works all three locks. The little glove compartment, the seat latch, and ignition is all on one key. Everything's good. This baby starts right up every time. It's a little cold-natured when you first start it up, but after it's been running for about 5 minutes, everything idles fine and runs really good. It's got 237 kilometers on it.